AMP presently exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 explicitly is right now at $0.005 in a sort of large manner. AMP in a real sense faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. AMP records in every way that really matters, descending development today, which in every practical sense is very critical. 28 July 2023. In this video, we will generally walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually sort of sought clarification on some things, facts. What generally is truly transient cost expectation for AMP, in a real sense, is AMP a sort of wise interest in a sort of enormous manner? AMP support and opposition levels and so forth really in spite of prevalent thinking. Yet, prior to plunging pretty profound into the AMP specialized examination, most certainly let us in every practical sense discuss the ongoing economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Market investigation over the truly last 24 hours, there most certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,182,183,498,100 in every way that really matters, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The really all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $26,292,611,763 in a quite huge manner. Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which fundamentally shows that AMP in every practical sense faces medium-term opposition at $0.006 in a genuinely significant manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,272.29 level after a decay of 0.58%. Which all things considered, is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum for the most part, has seen a value decline of 0.23%, coming to $1,869.44 during the past 24 hours in a very significant manner. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 71 cents following a value change of 0.85% within a similar time period, which truly shows that AMP support and opposition levels, and so on in a fundamentally significant manner. BNB, the truly local coin of BNB for the most part, is up by 0.08 and presently exchanging at $241.76. Showing how AMP right now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 certainly is as of now at $0.005 in an unobtrusive manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a genuinely descending heading for certainly present moment, truly further appearance. How the very all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $26,292,611,763, or so they essentially thought. Right now, an exceptionally broad, especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a predominance of 16.33%. Which generally shows that AMP sort of countenances medium-term obstruction at $0.006, or so they by and large thought. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized markers used to for the most part distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how 28 July 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through a AMP cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these much of the time, fundamentally got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what for the most part is by and large momentary cost expectation for AMP. Basically is AMP a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Support truly is a level at which purchasers sort of become commonly additional dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that yet prior to plunging profound into the AMP specialized investigation, really led us by and large discussion about the genuinely current economic situations, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which vendors generally move genuinely dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving, most certainly higher in a very huge manner. Following basically are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution, The cost of AMP truly is at $0.005, down 2.27% in every practical sense, recent hours, and sort of has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week. So while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 71 cents following a value change of 0.85% within a similar time period, which in a real sense shows that AMP support and opposition levels and so forth truly in spite of mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC generally is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while especially complete market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%, which really shows that AMP for the most part faces medium-term opposition at $0.006, which explicitly is genuinely huge. There really are practically 42,227,702,186 certainly are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, showing how BNB, the especially local coin of BNB, essentially is up by 0.08 and presently exchanging at $241.76, exhibiting how AMP as of now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 sort of is as of now at $0.005, which generally is very critical. AMP value examination. AMP cost examination for 28 July 2023, insight and everyday time period, especially made sense of underneath incredibly. We utilize truly relative strength index RSI, moving pretty normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving all things considered, normal EMA to explicitly examine the future development of the AMP. While AMP's Williams %R pointer by and large is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange fundamentally signal especially is somewhat conceivable at this reach. So market examination over the for the most part last 24 hours, there essentially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,182,183,498,100, which truly is very critical. The MACD line for the most part is remaining beneath of the exceptionally signal line after a hybrid. So market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,182,183,498,100 in a kind of enormous manner. AMP financial backers need to generally